Alright guys, so got a box of cigars. I figured I'd do an opening just for the hell of it. These are not really expensive cigars, but they're different brands for the most part and different types of tobacco. Most of the average price is around $2 each. I got a baker's dozen. A couple of them was like $4, so I think it was $40 with shipping and everything. So I had to go to the post office to pick it up because they didn't want to give it to me. Let's see what all this is. I got a magazine. Holy shit. Did I get stickers too? Tons of bubble wrap. And here we go. Freaking cigars. Like I said, I ordered them all by themselves, one on one. So really happy that I got them. All right, so let's see what I got. So I got a GH2. I remember what all this is. It's a Churchill, so it's 7 inches long. Beautiful cigar. Of course, if I could show you guys the prices, I might screenshot it. So this was the mini one. So a few of the cigars, they wouldn't send me minis. So this is a vanilla cigar. There's a mini one. I tried to buy the cherry vanilla one, but they wouldn't sell it to me, or they had to pay extra shipping for that reason or some shit. So anyway, got a cherry or a vanilla little mini, almost like a little cigarella. That's basically what it is, but they consider it a cigar, so I didn't have to pay more money. Got a Soul Daddy cigar, and I might be butchering a lot of the names. This is Churchill too, same length. I'm just gonna show you guys the names of it. So, Sweet 59. Cigar. This is a Cuban Robust. It's a nice little Cuban cigar. Cuban grown, or Cuban type tobacco. Got a Phillies Titan for like $1 or something. Figured I'd try that out. I did end up getting their little Phillies blunt. Again, a lot of the things on the website was, depending on what you bought, was based on shipping and stuff. But I wanted to see if this was considered like a cigar. Yeah. So it's basically a cigar. It's just a cherry one. Or a strawberry, I think, right? Strawberry. Let's see. Yep. Strawberry blunt is what it's called. Smells just like freaking strawberry. Nice little cigar. That was like $1.10. This is J.C. Newman Cigar Company. It's a Mado wrapper, handmade Nicaraguan. So about 5 inches there. I can't read shit. I wish I could read better. Presidential one cigar. I screenshot everything on my email and show you guys. Well, actually, I can tell you the prices. Yeah, I can go over the prices in a second. I had all that. This is a Cuban Delight. I actually getting ready to order, and I decided to look, and they had these in a 5-pack, but you could order one at a time, or just one, so I wanted to order one. This is a rum, so I don't know. Smells like tobacco. Second Robust cigar. No other stickers on this one. And then this is a, where famous Murder. I can't even pronounce it anymore. Open up so I can see you. I got 5 fucking minutes. This is basically a little blunt too, little cigar. I'm interested in how much I paid for this. Famous Benz Maduro. That was $1.75 for that one. That little vanilla, that little mini freaking vanilla one was $3.49. That's what I got. It's called a diced tomato, diced vanilla. I know at the cigar shop around here you can get the bigger ones for like $5. So I'm gonna smoke it. I'll try it. So the prices, I'll have to take pictures of them. That Soul Daddy. Where's that Soul Daddy at? I'm not that G2. The G2 Churchill, this right here, was $3.60. That was the most expensive one. Pretty cool. I might make a part 2 and go over it or just take a photo for you guys. But anyway, pretty cool little cigar haul. Yeah. I will keep them all kind of in the bags, and then I'm weird. I'm going to keep track of what I smoke and which ones I like and which ones I don't like. For example, the chocolate cigar, never smoke that. Unless you want to be really freaking mad, don't ever smoke it. Because it's not good. I think I'm going to smoke this one tonight. Oh, I got a couple other ones in my little thing, so that smells really good. I don't like strawberry, but it smells good. Alright, see you guys.